also cleaned my crazy room with me. So this chair I really wanted to get rid of, but you'll see where I end up putting that. Drink my tea, moving some things around. My dog was really annoyed with me, and I found some weird bullet looking like thing. Hi Alicia, watching Alicia Marie always. So I found a new place for my record player, which was over there. I think it looks really cute, and that chair, I guess, looks good there. I had no idea where to put these vines. I really just wanted to use them, and I had nowhere to put them. You'll see at the end of the video where I decided to put them. I'm extra lights onto my mirror. Organize my tarot cards and some other things. And as you can see, the vines were there. I put them around my windowsill. This video definitely needs a part 2, so if you're wanting one, let me know.